What's up, CT Racer X people? This is your boy CT Racer X, and today I'm going to show you how to change the power steering pump in your 2AZ-FE motor. So this is the 2.4 liter Toyota motor. It's used in the 2002 through 2006 Camrys. I also believe it's in anything with a 2.4 liter, so that's Camrys all the way up until current, and even the Corolla. So, and the Scion TC as well. So yeah, get your gloves, get your tools, and follow along. Today, we're working on a 2002 Toyota Camry. There's a couple little secrets I'm going to show you. While I'm not going to pull the power steering pump off for you because I've already got that done, what I do want to show you is a couple of little tricks. Tip number one, I'm going to do right, if I can show it to you, oh my goodness, okay, so right down in here, I get my hand down in there, see my finger, can you see my finger? Alright, right there is a solid mount 19mm adjustment bracket. That's how you get the serpentine belt off, okay? So don't think you're gonna take it off the pulley down there or some other bolt down around in that area. You see where my finger's pointing? It is actually right here. So set your 19mm breaker bar on there and pull it towards the car, and the serpentine belt will come off. Numero dos. Do not go cheap with your time and not take off the wheel. You have to take off the wheel if you want this job to be simple. Number three, I've got the lights on, see, so you can see it. Up underneath the wheel of this power steering pump, right here, there are two 14mm sockets that you need to pop loose in order to get this pump off of the car. Okay, there's one you can see right through there, and then there's one right above it. If you don't take the wheel off, you're going to struggle to get this off. So I have to stress again, you have to take the wheel off, and you have to take off the splash shield, which goes right here. The splash shield is in this area. Take that off, okay? Once you take it off, put in your deep socket 14mm in there, and use the wrench trick and pop those loose, and you're in business. Do this line last. That's your actual pressure line. Take it off last. It doesn't make any sense to try to do this with the whole pump hanging off the car. You'll just be pissed and you'll probably break the line. As you can see, the car is gone. That means we got the power steering pump completely changed. Now keep in mind, when you're changing out the power steering pump, follow the steps like I said earlier. Step number one, utilize that 19mm bracket bolt. It's attached to the bracket. It's not a bolt that you can remove, so just put on a 19mm breaker bar, pull the bar towards the front of the car, and that will allow you to remove the serpentine belt. Number two, make sure you take the tire, the passenger side tire off of the car. Just take the tire off. You'll be easier. The job will be easier. You'll be much happier. Number three, there are two 14mm bolts that are through the wheel of the power steering pump, and you will be able to pull the bolts off once you have the pump off of the car. Just unbolt those through the wheel. Just, once you take the serpentine belt off, you'll be able to adjust the wheel on the power steering pump, and then you'll be able to release those 14mm bolts. And number four, once you have the bolts loose, make sure you then take off the upper 17mm banjo bolt fitting and the lower 12mm elbow fitting, the 90-degree elbow pressure fitting. Take those off before you remove the pump from the vehicle. Otherwise, what will happen is you'll most certainly end up with a damaged pressure line. And although you probably can source those at your local O'Reilly's, why deal with it if you don't have to? Okay? Once again, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.